Hello, welcome to IT Security Labs. Today we're completing day 14 of Advent of Cyber Challenge. So we're almost done here and we are learning about machine learning. Our main goal for the room is you will learn about what machine learning is. You will learn the basics of machine learning, the structures and the algorithms, and also how neural networks work. If this is your first time hearing about machine learning, this is a wonderful room that will actually explain in detail how machine learning works. And I think this is a nice primer for most people. We use machine learning in our Kali Purple lab that we set up on this channel where we have machine learning jobs. If you click on that, you say run any machine learning jobs below to prepare for creating detection rules that produce alerts for detecting anomalies and view anomalous events. So we're already using machine learning in detecting malicious activities on networks. A lot of products out there do the same thing. So learning machine learning from TryHackMe is a very good idea for everybody in cybersecurity. Okay, so I would hope that you go through the room and read everything that we have there. But for our sake here, I'm going to jump straight to the activity. We have three things here. Okay, so we have the training data set, then we have the detection data set. This is going to be the data that we feed into machine learning. Then we also have some data set that will help us with understanding that the machine learning is actually working and it has actually learned not just memorize our data. So with that, we have detector.py. So that's our first task. Virtual machine in the room and opening the terminal to CD to desktop. Neutral network. We see that we have the detector.py and then the training data sets that we saw earlier. How do we use this? I'm going to use nano on the detect.py script. And all they did was just force us to go and copy and paste snippets of the code and also make sure that we understand how this is going to work. It's going to be using pandas and it is also going to be using NumPy libraries. Okay, so now let's scroll down. It's reading the CSV file over there. Then here it says insert dataset split code here. So this is where we need to insert the dataset split code. But it already imported our data. Now we need to give it the dataset split code. It's somewhere. Come back here and paste it. Put a space. So that was the first one. Then insert normalize our data normalization data set here. So for normalization data set is this one. And paste it here. Then we have the classifier. Then we need the classifier testing prediction here. So this is classifier code here. Classifier code right there. Then it says insert classifier training code here. So this is the training code. Paste it there. Then insert classifier validation prediction. So under validation, right here, we'll paste that one. Then we have one more. Insert classifier testing code. So we enter this one and paste. Okay, let's save it. Control X, Y, enter. Now Python 3. Detect.py. Let's see if it succeeds. All right, there it goes. Okay, so this is taking a while. I'm just going to go back to our questions and answer a bunch of questions while it's running. Okay, so first question. What is the term given to AI or the subset of AI meant to teach computers how human thinks or work? This is called machine learning. What machine structure aims to mimic the process of natural selection and evolution? This is called genetic algorithm. What is the name of learning style that makes use of labeled data to train machine learning structure? This is supervised. You find that name in the material as well. What is the name of the layer between the input and output layers of neural network? Or from that diagram that we saw earlier, this is the hidden network. This is a hidden layer. What is the name of the process used to provide feedback to the neural network on how close its prediction was? This is the back propagation. Okay, so these questions here, if you understood the room and read the contents, you'll be able to get it. But now let's find out if our flag cracked. All right, what happened here? We got accuracy of 91.5%, so that's good, I guess. So the predictions are saved. The file can now be uploaded to verify the neural network. Where is the file? Okay, so this is the predictions file, predictions.txt. Let's go ahead and upload it. Okay, so here it is. These predictions will be saved to a file. Upload the predictions to here. So let's copy this link. This is accessible from anywhere, so let's open it from here. Okay, so once we get to the site, the link that we get from there, we can browse. On the desktop here, if we double click, here's the predictions. Open, upload, and we get the flag. Come back here, give them the flag, complete. So just like a lot of people, this is pretty new to me, and I learned a lot, and I hope you do as well. So thank you for following along with me, and I hope to see you next time.